So I'm Tom. I'm the one who's been emailing you guys every single night. But as you can tell, the roads are a little damp right now. So please drive responsibly. If there's anything questionable as you're about to make a pass, set it aside, save it for a drier time, a better time when you're confident about making those decisions. We want to make sure that everyone arrives in Cedar Rapids tonight safely.
Hello, if you don't know me, my name is Justin, and I just wanted to give you from a high level, if you've never done a rally before, so as you leave the rally, you will receive your first of many route cards. As you pull out of the launch, someone will hand you that route card, so make sure you're ready for it, make sure you grab it, and as we receive all these green lights on the way to the freeway, that'll be a great opportunity for you to put in that destination and figure out on the fly what roads you want to take to get there.
Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning. If Dan would just get out of my face, we could do this intro. So we've got the car ready for the rally. We're sitting waiting to get escorted out of Rice Park, downtown St. Paul. We're in Sport, Dynamic Plus. We've got Iroz Stage 2, a little bit of 93 in the car, a little octane booster in the car. We're gonna go fast, we're gonna be loud, we're gonna be obnoxious, and we're gonna win.
And we're gonna follow all the road rules.
55, stay alive.
As is everybody else. We wandered around this morning. I don't know if Kyle took any B-roll.
Just a little bit.
Some quality vehicles in the rally. Oh, he vapes.
Vape
Nash. Route card 1, Slippery's Bar and Grill. Sounds pretty good. She opens up a little bit. And away we go. We're no longer protected by the St. Paul police. Now we roll. No, it feels just slow. We're doing double nickel. Hello? It was yellow too.
very yellow.
Got an arrow.
On rally, VIP half.
He doesn't have a turbo. Slow. Thank you. Well, we're doing 60, that's fine. Yeah, that's definitely cop. Thank you for that call out. How goes it?
All good. Good to go.
Thank you. What was that?
Not sure.
It sounds good. It's not braking?
Probably just a shield or something. Yeah, it's under braking, so think about that. What would that be?
I'm wondering if like the damper would rotate and the spring would hit something on compression.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's in the middle of the car though.
It feels like it's underneath my foot.
It's well. Oh, he's rotating. He's got a little more weight to swing around than we do.
Sorry. Step to the brake one more time.
Just test it, make sure it still works. Another tight right.
It sounds pretty good.
Really pisses you off when you drive really hard and there's a car right in your ass.
Yeah. Then on the freeway, but
Does it smell something?
I don't smell anything.
Anything, it's exhaust coming out of that
Yes.
thing.
We've been behind Mercedes before. We know
Yeah,
what
but I heard
happens.
they burn up.
Take care of it, or...
What's up, guys?
Hi, man.
How goes it?
Hey, Kyle.
Hello.
What's up? I'm just glad you're ahead of Mark. That's good. Yeah,
All
take
right.
a left.
Okay, thanks, guys.
second Hardway learning update. We've done a couple stops. We ventured down into rock bottom. We lost some reception, so we were kind of flying by the seat of our pants in terms of just doing the offline maps, which is a good idea. Shout out to everyone that mentioned that. We were driving pretty spiritedly still. We made a good move and lost quite a bit, or gained quite a bit of time, lost a bunch of people.
Good routing by Dan.
Yeah, I made up for the routing I missed by making some better routing. Yeah, we're cruising. No fucking doubt about it. We developed a little bit of a clunk in the front left area of the car. Hopefully we find some way to stop and check that out, because the spirited driving is a little nerve-wracking when you can hear it clunking through the corners. Yeah, I believe so. Yep. Hang left here. I don't know, that's what it says. This is a runner. We're taking a little gravel back road here.
That's a shortcut, Dan.
Oh, she's got a little wobble to her. The P0s float a little bit on the gravel here.
Dude, how much time did we just pick up though?
I don't know.
That's some motherfucker.
Yeah, everybody else is driving past, like, the Lambo's like, no dirt road.
A little road rashed RS3.
80.
Why
Oh,
not?
cop there.
It's a cop. Might want to put it in D so it's quiet.
Okay, we are now, first fuel stop, out of the way.
And P stop.
Yep, we got 315 miles of range on the dash here. We're about to enter Wisconsin after hearing the statewide APB for Crown Ralliers in Minnesota. We don't really know, but I think because of some good moves, we might be either out front or pretty near the front, which is a hell of a move considering where we started in the pack. We're now entering Wisconsin. Hopefully the statewide APB does not transfer borders, because I want to keep a low profile here. That's why we drove a blaze orange car.
Gold stickers and
Loud exhaust.
driving expeditiously. I don't know if that clink or clunk translates to the camera, but there's a clunk.
So far, nothing's blown up.
Kyle assures us he tightened the bolts.
See what
Kyle, comment, tighten bolts.
I torqued down everything. The only thing we didn't touch with a torque wrench is stuff underneath the car.
Not important. Dan, I'm just gonna say one more thing though. These routes through town suck. So anything you do to avoid that without additional time, obviously. But as a rallier, it's hard to
just
make up time. And yes, it's mental. It's just really hard for a guy like me.
we were doing.
55, now we're doing 30. That's gonna
Yeah.
be, that's like 20 miles an hour difference.
Into the right here.
Are we good first?
9 guys backing up was a little funny.
Hey, we've heard you guys for 30 minutes going up those roads. You like that?
Seriously? That's awesome. That's an awesome spot.
Yeah, we heard you for about the last 30 seconds.
All right, you want to try it?
You're number 3 right now.
Awesome. Which way are we out here? That way?
Good?
Well, ask your navigator.
Well, he gave us a clue.
Thank you. Sorry, officer, I didn't see any posted speed signs.
Checking in from the back seat. We're currently car number 3 after checkpoint 6. Headed to Prairie de Chine.
Allegedly, we have that carbon GTR in front of us, and then I'm not sure what else. Maybe that blue Huracan. Oh, there's a Lambo.
How many miles to the destination?
4.9. This is tight as well.
Oh, fucking catch that guy.
This is tight left coming up. Tight left, tight left, tight left, tight left. Hi, friend.
Oh, this isn't Lambo now. This is
Yeah,
baby
Jesse.
guy.
Like a dick. Oh no. Oh, the girl was driving.
We have confirmed we are in position 2 after stop 7, headed to stop 8, which I think is our lunch stop. Any other teammates have any input?
Well, traffic at this moment is a little heavy, but we've been hustling right along here. Usually speed limit plus 5, give or minus a little bit. But you know, the routing of Dan, it's been pretty good today. I'm pretty damn proud of him. One little snafu from a little backseat driving earlier, but as a team, we overcame. I think all hard feelings are forgiven.
Yep.
And we're building off of that.
Just checking in, had a little bit of lunch.
It appeared to be the first people here.
Oh, where Dan went. Is he over here looking at stuff? You got our check one already?
Breitbach Garage. Yeah. This is the most magnificent thing. I don't know if we can get it in the shot, but the you might be able to pull your camera out. Oh God. The fucking 80s Grand Caravan behind us is pacing us at a hair over 55.
At 66 miles.
Dude, that's insane. We're gonna see smoke all of a sudden behind us.
Not stop.
Oh, he's trying to pull around, yeah.
We're estimated at 16 miles from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, with a 4:52 p.m. arrival time.
8 minutes early.
Yeah, so
ahead
far.
of the arrival window that's scheduled.
Yeah, so hopefully they're okay, cool with us, you know, getting there a couple minutes early. We got some work to do on the car, so I mean, it makes sense for us to try and get there as early as possible.
Got the exhaust valve closed up. Sounds nice and quiet for just the long haul cruise.
No white knuckling anymore. So
How's your heart rate, Kyle?
It is settled back down to resting.
We had a little incident earlier in the day that we thought Kyle might have the big one because his heart rate was highly elevated.
His left arm was numb.
It was a pretty touch and go situation.
Hoping to spend some time underneath the car, make sure everything's buttoned down. We've been getting a little bit of a weird popping or cracking noise.
Yeah, it's more like a thunk.
Yeah.
That's a technical term, funk. So yeah, not the most reassuring thing, but what do you do? It's a runner.
It's a runner.
It's been the statement of the day. Team Hardway Learning checking in here. Clunks and all. There's Kelly. I get the feeling it was the two gates that were open. It's just there's nobody there. What's your problem, Fresh? I think we're early.
Okay. You guys are on the nest locked down.
Okay.
But
We saw there was two barriers were open down that way, so I guess we'll probably have to hit that.
yeah, if you go back right down and you go, I think right through here. I think it is.
All right.
We're here.
Damn, you guys got here faster than we
Holy fuck,
expected.
man.
All right, sorry, we're still loading,
No problem.
Yeah, we gotta fix our car.
It's not making good noises. Where do you actually want us?
39. So, yeah, we are not ready for you guys yet. I'm gonna say for the time being, here, follow me.
Sounds good.
My understanding was we were supposed to drive past the Spirit, I think I was told.
We gotta jack our car up. We got some weird noises.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car, and it appears that we forgot to tighten a few bolts. And I say we, I mostly mean Kyle as the engineer and me being the driver. We know who's supposed to tighten shit. So we gotta tighten out.
All right, so we just got done with our little wrenching session. First into Cedar Rapids, the first one's on jack stands. Definitely a couple subframe bolts loose, so hopefully we have solved our issue. Going for a quick hot lap to make sure we're good for tomorrow morning. Feels pretty good.
Feels better already.
Feels like it goes straight. Does it go straight? Seems good.
Should we go to that Menards?
No, I am not buying another torque wrench. Okay. I already bought 2 torque wrenches. I am sure those tires aren't going to fall off.
Did you refill them?
Yeah.
Okay.
God. It feels so much better. I don't know, man.
Yeah, let's do from a pull here and then.
Time to relax.
Now I can wash my hands in the
I'm
garage.
gonna need to wash my pants
Change.
and my underwear.
You fell a few times today? Did I really scare you at all today? I mean, was there a couple times you puckered or not?
Well, when we started going into the back roads, when we first heard the clunk, I'm like, this is not a good idea. We have something loose, and we're very spiritedly driving through some back roads.
I'm not interrupting you, but it'd be clunky before doing this stuff.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah. No, I agree. But you know what? It got worse and worse. At first, it wasn't that bad.
Right. And then it upset you going straight through it.
I'm gonna go